How to create Clickfunnels affiliate account in 2023. Creating a Clickfunnels affiliate program allows the company to leverage the power of a vast network of affiliates to promote their products and services, driving more sales and expanding their customer base. Here, I'll try to give you a step-by-step on how to create Clickfunnels account. So first things first, let's open our Google and then we're going to type here affiliate program, Clickfunnels. Right, there you go. And then you will be able to see it here, affiliate program in Clickfunnels. So we're going to just click this one. So now that we are here, we're going to scroll down and we are going to type our name. And then our family name, our email of course, and our phone number. And then once done, we're going to scroll down and we're going to click send me the invite. Right, after sending the invite, you should receive something like this in your email. It says Clickfunnels affiliate program email confirmation. And once you're here, we're going to click here. And there you go. So you're just going to repeat the same thing. You're going to type your name, your family name, your email address, and your phone number. Afterwards, you have the option to put your Facebook profile, Instagram profile, and of course your website URL. Now, after that's done, we're going to click affiliate experience. So here you can choose whether you are a beginner, intermediate, advanced, or an expert. So say for example, if you're a beginner, we're going to click this one and then we're going to check the box in order for you to be able to use the service. And then you're going to click submit application. So after that, you should be able to receive a thank you page. So thank you for applying to the Clickfunnels affiliate program. And then if we are going to scroll down here below, it says here the next step is approval. So we're just going to wait for 2 to 3 business days in order for this to take effect. And yes, that is how you're going to create an affiliate program in Clickfunnels in 2023. Congratulations and have a good day. Once again, if you are interested in trying Clickfunnels, I suggest you hit that link in the description box below to get yourself 2 weeks worth of free trial. And as always, please subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.